How to contact seller on Amazon. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can contact seller on Amazon, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to actually contact a seller on Amazon, all you have to do is just go to amazon.com and then you're going to be able to see this type of interface. Now if you wanted to order something from first, you haven't ordered it, and then you want to contact the seller without ordering the product, that is actually not possible. So you can see that if I open up this particular section over here, which is amazon.com, here you can see this particular product is from this option, that is visit the Kelamai store. So this product belongs to Kelamai store. So if I select Kelamai store, you can see this is their store and these are the products that they sell, but you can see there is no contact option. Now one way you can contact them is by simply searching for them offline in other sources, right? Which means on Google or Instagram or something, because now you know their brand name. Similarly, if you've already ordered something, let's say you go to your orders tab, and then when you order something, what happens is that if you have any sort of queries, then you'll be able to directly talk to the seller on Amazon. Otherwise, you have to look for the seller name here. You can't really contact them from here, but you can contact them offline from other sources if you'd like. So hope this video helped you as to how you can contact seller on Amazon. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.